Hi, let's continue to work on the single crochet 2 stitches together or decrease stitches. So I have few rounds of single crochet here. Now for the next row, I'm going to make a SC2 together or a decrease row. Okay. So first chain 1. Now for the first one, I'm going to do 1 single crochet. Okay, then the next 2 stitches I'm going to make a decrease or a single crochet 2 stitches together. So what should we do? Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull out 1 yarn, and then insert the hook into the next stitch and pull out another yarn. So I have 3 loops here, and then I yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So I'm making these 2 stitches into only 1 stitch above it. Okay, let's try once again. I'm going to make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, then for this next stitch, I'm going to make a decrease stitch. Okay, so insert into the next stitch, pull out a loop, insert into another stitch, pull out a loop. So I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops together. So now I'm making a decrease. This is 1 single crochet and this is the decrease stitches. This is single crochet stitch and this is decrease stitches. Okay, once again, into the next stitch, pull out a loop, into the next stitch, pull out a loop. So I have 2 stitches in my loop now, and 3 loops on my hook now, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 together. So I'm making a decrease from these 2 stitches into only 1 stitch.